Next up is Hauntel.
Yeah. Hi, so I'm Mohit, founder and CEO of Hauntel. We are a team of 3 people in the early 20s. We love building things. And when something that we build turns out to be useful, we try to make it better. And this is exactly that has happened with Hauntel. We built it for ourselves and things changed and here we are launching it today. But before I dive into the actual launch, I would like to thank some awesome people at rapidmoon.com. They are one of our early users and they were so thrilled by the results of our product. So they decided to sponsor our trip and make this day possible. We didn't have money, right? So here's the story. So last year, we three was sitting in a small room building a product called Gorilla. It was basically an accounting app for geeks like us, like yourselves. So everything was going great feedback we were having. Shut up and take my money was one thing that we kept hearing every other day. But then there was this one small problem, yeah. So our active rate sucked. We, in spite of regular signups and great feedback, we knew something was broken. To fix it, we ran several experiments, drip campaigns, transactional emails. But then there's one experiment which just stood out. And this is the story of that experiment. So one day, we marked 10 new signups and decided to manually talk to them, engage them based on what they were doing in their accounts, right? So for a month of their free trial period, every morning, I send them a manual in-app notification based on their activity. And on every alternate evening, I send them an email containing the immediate next steps that they can do to make most out of Gorilla. And the result of this experiment was this, that out of those 10 people, 9 of them subscribed. So we were thrilled, like it was like an aha moment for us. We then decided to take that feature out of Gorilla Core and build it into its own side project. I then started talking about it to everyone I met and saw them going nuts over it, like real nuts, you could eat them. So I then gave it to a couple of people, Rapid Moon, 19 Mobiles, Dogspot.in, and then we started getting feature requests, bug reports. And we started devoting some more time to our side project. And over a period of 6 months, we found ourselves that we were working on Hauntel 100%, full time. So we decided to put Gorilla on just support mode and focus 100% on Gorilla. So, and today we are promoting yet again this side project to a full-blown product into its own. So how Hauntel works and what is it? So Hauntel works in exactly the same way our manual experiment worked. When you integrate it with your app, it starts tracking your users and their behaviors, and then allows you to target them as precisely as you want. Yeah, even automatically. So it creates a widget that sits on the right-hand side of your website in case of mobile at the bottom and acts as a notification center for your app. So, and even better, the automatic engagement is not just based on one session of the user, it's based on the whole life cycle of the user. Since the day he signed up until the day he cancels his account. And so that's how Hauntel works. So here's an example. So bloggers can target like this. Everyone who has commented on a funding story more than 3 times and then target a notification like this. Hi John, interested in startup stories? Why not receive them right inside your inbox? That too, an hour before it goes live on our website. Your email address please. And there's a small input box in the notification itself. So John enters his email address, clicks enter, and he's done right there in the notification. About this input box, I'll again come back to it in a minute. So here's another example. E-commerce sites can target like this. Whenever someone buys something and fire a notification like this. Hi Alice, thank you for buying iPhone 6s yesterday. How was your first shopping experience with us? And this time, instead of input box, there are 3 buttons. Loved it, nice, and pathetic. So Alice can just click once and record her feedback. What more targeting can you can do? Every male user in US who hasn't ordered anything yet, done. Everyone who signed up 7 days ago, done. So everyone who signed up but haven't activated his account yet, again, done. So that's how Hauntel works. So what more do we have besides this targeting? Interactiveness. So we believe 220% that we should make everything simple for our users. So we have got 3 things for you. One is you can create notifications with pure custom HTML. Yeah. So be creative as hell. Second thing is notifications with buttons at the bottom. Very handy tool to ask questions. And third thing is notifications with input box at the bottom. Now we have got no reason not to talk to your users. What more do we have? API. Yes, now we are feeling right at home. If you find something that cannot be automated using Hauntel dashboard, please feel free to use our API to automate it. What more do we have? Yes. All of this can power your email campaigns too. Now you do not have to send one bulk email campaign and just see just 2% CTR rates. You can send a targeted ones, send your users what actually they want and at the time they want it, and then you can see CTR rates of over 50%. So until now, it had been just us plus some private beta users who were taking unfair advantage of this technology. But today it's open for you. Now it's your turn. And to make things more sexy for you, we are offering you 30% off just for the unplugged attendees, just for you guys. So you can go to hontel.com/unplugged to avail the discount. We are in invite-only mode and free until New Year. So you guys will be offered prices 30% lower, 30% lower prices to what we'll offer to those who will sign up to the 15. And since that experiment Gorilla, we had been dancing like every day. And if you want to see those numbers too, and if you want to dance like this guy too, if you want your conversion funnel on steroids, if you want to see super high jumps in customer retention rate and revenue, please take this step. And I have been told that if you need something, you have got to ask for it. So, Mr. Rajan Anandan, why not us? Yeah. $325,000, 18 months, and I can guarantee you $150,000 of monthly recurring revenue. That's it, and we both can dance like this. Yeah. So with that, I think I am done. Thank you. Open for the questions.
Love the energy. Love the energy. Do we have questions for Hontel? No questions.
No questions. I was so brilliant.
Well, thank you so much, Hontel.
Thank you.